Welcome. In this video, I'm going to guide you through a simple, step-by-step method to hide media processing notifications on your lock screen in X app. If you've ever felt distracted or a little annoyed by these notifications constantly popping up where anyone can see them, this update is exactly what you need. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to manage these alerts so they stay private and out of sight. Let's jump right in. First, grab your phone and open up the Settings app. This is where all the adjustments begin. Once you're inside, scroll down until you see the section labeled Apps, and go ahead and tap on it. Inside the Apps section, find X app in the list. This might take a moment if you have many apps installed, but once you spot it, tap on it to open the app-specific settings. From here, tap on Notifications. This menu controls every alert the app sends you, and it gives you the option to refine exactly how they behave. Next, select Notification Categories. Think of this as the detailed breakdown of different types of notifications. Every app has multiple categories, and this is where we'll locate the one that corresponds to media processing. Now tap on Media Processing. This is the notification group responsible for alerts about files being processed inside the app. Once you're in, look for the option marked Lock Screen. Finally, tap on Lock Screen and choose Don't Show Notifications. By selecting this, you're telling your phone not to allow these particular alerts to appear when your screen is locked. They'll stay hidden, keeping your lock screen clean and more private while still letting notifications work as usual in other parts of your phone. And that's it. Simple and effective. With just a few steps, you've successfully turned off media processing notifications from cluttering your lock screen in X app. Take a moment to check if it's working, and enjoy a more organized, distraction-free lock screen experience. Thanks for watching.